Hi there kids! Today's topic is all about initial consonant blends or words. Let's get started. The first consonant blend is B, R, Brr. Bread, bread. Broccoli, broccoli. Brush, brush. Kids, repeat once again. Bread, broccoli, brush. The next blend is K, R, Cr. Crab, crab. Cry, cry. Crayon, crayon. Crab, cry, crayon.
Next blend is D, R, Dr.
Drum, drum. Dress, dress. Dragon, dragon. Drum, dress, dragon. Next blend is F, fur. Frog, frog. Fruits, fruits. Fries, fries. Frog, fruits, fries. Next blend is G, R, Grr. Grapes, grapes. Green, green. Grass, grass. Repeat. Grapes, green, grass.
Next blend is P, R, purr.
Price, price. Present, present. Press, press. Price, present, press.
Next blend is T, R, Tr.
Tree, tree. Train, train. Truck, truck. Repeat. Tree, train, truck.
Bye bye kids, see you later. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all my phonics videos given below in the description box. Keep watching.